I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin now by prioritizing a custom night guard because protecting teeth is the immediate, active step. Once you schedule the dental fitting, make sure to stabilize your sleep window and dim lights 30 to 60 minutes before bed. This lowers arousal that triggers grinding. Do a 5-minute jaw massage and a 1/2-minute tongue placement exercise to reset muscle tone. These prerequisites reduce nightly force and let the guard do its protective work while you build the habit. Once the guard is in place, you must reprogram daytime habits to change nighttime behavior. Use hourly reminder cues and consciously relax the jaw so teeth rest slightly apart. This reduces learned clenching. Practice 2 daily isometric jaw exercises to strengthen neuromuscular control and make relaxed posture automatic. Make sure to identify and reduce triggers like late caffeine and unmanaged stress. Use a stress log and switch to calming routines. These steps alter the pattern that drives sleep grinding and support long-term reduction. You finish by confirming the system works. Return to your dentist in 2 to 4 weeks for guard fit adjustments and bite checks, because an imperfect fit undermines the effect. If grinding continues, add a nightly guided breathing or progressive muscle relaxation routine to lower arousal before sleep. If you experience increased pain or the guard feels wrong, return it immediately for trimming. If symptoms worsen despite adjustments, seek a specialist referral. This troubleshooting keeps the solution effective and safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.